What are we doing?
We're having a picnic.
A picnic. Camping in the backyard. Is this fun? Just because we can't go camping doesn't mean we can't pretend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mummy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hooray! So this is the race cars, so they go to the racetrack.
Josh's mum found all of Josh's Lego creations from when he was
And
young.
then it picks it up, and then they drop it off at the racetrack.
Now him and Riley are playing with them.
Truck.
Did you still love Lego when you were a little boy, Josh?
I was obsessed. I was absolutely obsessed.
So today I am having a very productive day within the business. So I am currently writing out some new ads for our business and looking for some new team members and people that are looking to level up, expand and grow rather than retract at a time like this. So yeah, just looking at some current statistics and doing some research into what people are looking for at the moment and what's working in the online space. So that's basically what my work involves today, and it's great because it's something that I'm really passionate about, helping and inspiring other people.
Yeah.
What do you think it might?
think it
I don't
is?
know who it's for.
I don't know.
This is Riley Tait.
What?
I don't know how to actually.
Rip it.
Yes!
What is it? What is it?
My favorite.
What is it?
What is it?
A doggy wash!
Keep going.
It's a doggy wash!
Keep going.
Yes! It is the doggy wash!
Yeah, see, you wet him. That's it. See, you wet him. Now stop. Now it's Daddy's.
Oh, you're washing the doggy.
Now it's Dad's go. And Dad got yellow. So
Yeah.
now I go to yellow, which is there.
And
Which means it's the bone. So I have to turn the bone once. Alright, ready? Oh, phew, I thought it was going to get me.
So mindset tip number 3, affirmations. Now what is an affirmation? So an affirmation is a positive, powerful statement that you repeat to yourself over and over again to change your subconscious beliefs, your self-limiting beliefs that you might have about yourself. So for example, if you lack self-confidence, something that you can continuously say to yourself every single day over and over again is, I am confident. I am confident. And you just repeat that to yourself every day, whether it's in your journal or whether you're just saying it constantly in your mind while you're doing your makeup or mowing the lawns, whatever you're doing. It's just really powerful tool to change all those self-limiting beliefs and self-doubts that we might have of ourselves. This is something that Josh and myself both do and both find really useful. So especially at times like this with the coronavirus, something that you could say is, I have faith that everything is going to work out for me. Everything is going to be okay. Just constantly saying those things to yourself over and over again, and your self-limiting beliefs or any negative thoughts that might pop in, you will see they will soon start to fade away. What are you looking at, buddy?
Looking out pictures.
Photos of all. Who is it?
Nanny and Poppy.
The family?
Yeah.
Do you miss them?
Yes.
Hopefully we'll see them soon, yeah?
Yeah. I'll see them soon.
Alright guys, when it comes time to picking your caravan, it's really important that you check out the build quality and how these caravans stack up against others. When we picked our design RV, there was a lot of key features that I noticed that I really liked about the van. The first one is the ARV fully galvanised chassis that the caravan sits on. Right, moving forward to the tunnel boot, this is the second one. The second option I really like, fully galvanised tunnel boot. Okay, so if it comes time to us packing up in the wet, or we've got some wet gear that we need to chuck in there and store while we hit the road, we don't have to worry about it getting into the timbers and swelling anything up or that, because there is other companies out there that are still using timber in them. So that was another key feature I liked. Into the wheel arches are exactly the same. We're using sheet galvanised in there. So, you know, stone chips and anything like that we could prevent from doing any damage to plastic wheel arches is another key feature as well. Last but not least, this awesome construction using composite panel. While fiberglass is used a lot in the caravan industry, it is heavy and it does add up to your overall weights of your caravan. It's super cool. Now with this checker plate here, as it's finished into the composite, no J molds here. So you'll see the checker plate actually wraps around the bottom of the chassis of the caravan, which is preventing water leaks and any future damages. Those J molds can dry out in years to come, and you know, you can get anything from up to water leaks, damages, or just things that you have to replace. So I really did like those key features with the Design RV.
You reading the paper?
So it's payback time. You always stick this camera in my face. I have a question for you.
Yes, dear.
How are you feeling being stuck in Ballarat without travelling? When our trip was taken away from us and we'd only just got a taste of it.
Yeah, rub it in. I don't think I have words right now because today's been a hard day. Being stuck in a caravan. Love the kids, love you, but it's hard. It's really hard.
You need some space.
And I feel like it's been taken away from me. Like we were on the trip of a lifetime 8 weeks in and then just got it snatched out of under our feet and just back to cold Ballarat.
But the best part is that we can restart as
But
soon
I'm
as we
very
need
grateful,
to.
yes. Very, very grateful, very appreciative that we can just restart and everything's going to be fine.
Once the travel ban's off, we're off.
Oh, yes, we are.
Hey guys, just wanted to give you a bit of an insight on how we fit business in around the kids. So at the moment, Elise and Chloe are out playing. I've got Riley in here. Riley's just having some quiet time, watching a DVD while Dad gets some work done. So I'm about to jump on there. I'm going to write back to a few people that are interested in the online business and how it sort of works. I'm going to check our Facebook's performing well. And then obviously once that DVD is finished, Riley and I will be back to going to have a play.
So I am currently working on some new ads to send out to the Facebook world. Looking at some notes. I've got some storytelling books that I'm going back to, some notes from team meetings, and Josh is about to jump on a meeting.
Yep.
What do you miss most about being on our adventures?
The jump pillow.
You miss the jumping pillow?
Yeah.
What about the pools?
But the pool still works.
And what else? What
What
was your favourite thing when we were on our adventures?
jump pillow.
Jumping pillow.
What about the beach?
The beach.
Oh, the beach was fun, wasn't it?
Riding your bike and making friends.
Oh, yeah. Are you with us?
Another delivery.
It's for my birthday.
Oh.
It's from Jade and Sam.
Ooh, what do we got?
A retreat yourself box. Self-care box. Every mother needs one. Just waiting for Josh. We're off to get coffees from the best cafe in Ballarat. It's called Higher Society. So if you're ever in Ballarat, make sure you go and check out that cafe for the best coffee. But yeah, it's good to support support small local businesses during this time because you can still get takeaway. So that's what we've been doing. Every morning we go out and we get ourselves a beautiful coffee and their toasties. Make sure you get a toasty from there too.
Roast chicken and smashed avo or something, wasn't it?
Something like that.
Oh, awesome.
What on earth did you do?
I just dropped my coffee. But hey, this is the benefits of having mud mats. They catch all this stuff.
It caught all the coffee.
Yep, mud mats are the way to go, especially with sand too.
Glad it wasn't my coffee.
Well, it's only a little bit. I've still got enough left.
Thanks again for tuning in on another episode. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure you go over to our channel and check out all of the other videos that we have recently added. We've got a lot of small videos in there sharing some traveling tips, business tips, and lots more. So thank you again for watching and make sure you subscribe.